The absolute Navetta 64 begins with premium marine-grade composite materials. Only certified materials are selected before hull production starts. A perfectly prepared mold guarantees a flawless yacht hull. Even microscopic dust particles are removed. The release coating allows the finished hull to separate safely. Uniform application is critical. The marine gel coat creates the yacht's beautiful exterior finish. It also protects against harsh seawater. Controlled curing ensures a flawless surface. Timing is essential before composite layup. Every fiberglass layer determines the hull's strength. Perfect alignment prevents structural weaknesses. Vacuum infusion removes air pockets. The process creates a lighter, stronger hull. Carbon fiber strengthens high-load sections. The foam core reduces weight without sacrificing rigidity. The curing process locks the composite into one solid structure. Precision temperature control ensures maximum strength. The yacht hull takes its first independent form. Every lift is carefully controlled. Robotic trimming delivers millimeter-level accuracy. The hull now matches its engineering design. Every opening is digitally controlled. Accuracy ensures perfect component installation. Bulkheads create the yacht's structural backbone. They also define interior spaces.
Stringers dramatically increase hull stiffness. They prepare the yacht for engine installation.
Laser alignment ensures the propulsion system performs flawlessly. The yacht is now ready for engine installation. The twin Volvo Penta engines are positioned with millimeter precision. Accurate alignment is essential for smooth propulsion. Every mounting bolt is tightened to an exact torque value. This prevents vibration during operation. The IPS drive system improves efficiency and maneuverability. It becomes the yacht's underwater powerhouse.
The fuel system is built for reliability and long-range cruising. Every connection is pressure tested.
Efficient cooling keeps the engines operating safely. Every hose is inspected before testing. Thousands of electrical connections power every onboard system. Each wire is carefully identified, and the electrical network is organized for maximum safety. Every circuit is individually protected.
Hidden plumbing supports every luxury feature on board. Leak-free connections are essential. The yacht's upper structure meets the hull. This is one of the factory's most critical lifts. The bonded joint creates exceptional structural strength. Precision fastening completes the union. The signature flybridge defines the yacht's elegant silhouette. It also expands outdoor living space. The expansive windows flood the yacht with natural light. Marine sealants ensure complete waterproofing. Handcrafted cabinetry transforms the hull into a floating home. Every panel is individually fitted. Natural teak offers timeless elegance and durability. The handcrafted flooring completes each living area. The gourmet galley combines luxury with practical functionality. Each appliance is precision fitted into handcrafted cabinetry. The helm is the command center of the yacht. Advanced electronics provide complete operational control. Advanced electronics guide the yacht safely across open waters. Every cable is sealed against harsh marine conditions. Climate control keeps every cabin comfortable in any weather. Hidden ductwork preserves the yacht's elegant interior. Every bathroom reflects premium yacht craftsmanship. Luxury finishes meet marine durability. The private cabins deliver 5-star comfort at sea. Every detail is crafted for relaxation. Marine-grade stainless steel combines safety with timeless elegance. Every fitting resists years of saltwater exposure. Marine-grade stainless steel combines safety with timeless elegance. Every fitting resists years of saltwater exposure. The brilliant finish showcases exceptional craftsmanship. Every reflection reveals flawless quality.
Thousands of electrical functions are tested one by one. No detail is overlooked.
The heart of the yacht comes alive. Every engine parameter is carefully monitored.
Every connection is inspected under operating conditions. Reliability begins with careful testing.
The factory-built yacht begins its journey toward open water. The final testing phase is about to begin.
The first launch confirms precise engineering. Every measurement is carefully verified.
Every luxury yacht must prove itself on open water. Sea trials ensure flawless performance before delivery.
Every system is analyzed after real-world testing. Performance data confirms factory standards.
Every surface is inspected under bright lighting. Only flawless finishes pass final approval.
The handcrafted interior must meet the highest luxury standards. Every function is checked before delivery.
The engine room reflects precision engineering. Every component is inspected one last time.
The final detailing enhances both beauty and protection. The yacht now shines with a showroom finish.
The finishing touches proudly display the yacht's identity. Every emblem symbolizes Italian craftsmanship.
Luxury is matched with uncompromising safety. Every emergency system is carefully prepared.
Every yacht leaves with complete technical documentation. Quality records ensure full traceability.
The final signature confirms exceptional quality. The yacht is officially ready for its owner.
Protective coverings preserve the yacht's flawless finish. Every luxury detail remains factory fresh.
The completed yacht awaits its official handover. Every system remains ready for immediate cruising. The moment every craftsman has worked toward finally arrives. A masterpiece is ready for its new journey.
The engines come to life once again. A new adventure begins on the open sea.
Luxury, engineering, and craftsmanship unite on every voyage. The absolute Navetta 64 delivers comfort without compromise. From advanced composites to handcrafted luxury, every detail tells a story of precision.